If you are looking for how you can change your Filmora setting to the dark mode, so how you can do that, first go to the file and you will see that their preferences, which is the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus comma. Click on that and under the general tab you will see that there is the appearance. Right now it is the system default, and if you click on the dark mode it will be converted to dark mode. Here you can see that and click OK. Now your interface is in black mode. So dark mode not only looks stylish but also reduce eye strains and helps you focus better while editing videos. So if you want to go back to the default, again go to the file and go to the preferences, and then again under the general tab click on the light mode and you will be routed to the light mode. Click OK, and this is the light mode. So in this way you can route between dark mode to light mode in Filmora. So I hope you have understand how you can do that. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.